When you have the medicine Mother Ayahuasca inside of your body, you feel her. You feel her on every level. She's so deep with you. She loves you. She cherishes you. She nourishes you. She gives you everything that you need when you don't even know what you need, which is actually magic. Arkana is the most magical place I've ever been to. It has changed my life. I'm a healer. I do healing work. I do a lot of medicine work. But throughout the years, there's something that hasn't been budging. And this week has been the most transformational week of my whole entire existence. I feel like I can move forward in life. I've healed trauma after trauma. The shamans have been just the most divine human beings I've ever met. The staff, I'm so in love with all of them. Thank you for providing this beautiful, magical place, this space of unity, of trust, of collectiveness, of healing. I'm forever grateful to you. I'm forever grateful with my heart, with my being, with every part of me.